This is Apple's very own silicone case, and it has a capacitive button in here, which I've also looked at the Beats case, and the Beats MagSafe case has a capacitive button. I have to imagine that the capacitive inlay in the case is going to work really well. Let's actually just test that first. I'm going to go ahead and click once to turn the phone on and click one more time to get to the camera. And let's just swipe around here and see how responsive that is. Now, I have to say, I am impressed because a lot of case manufacturers are just notching this out altogether and not giving us any sort of capacitive button. It's just, we got to dig our finger in there. We have to try and figure it out. But Apple, of course, having a leg up on the competition because this is their phone, can produce a pretty nice case. Now, the silicone case for me has always been a case that I like the texture and the feel of, but getting this case in and out of my pocket all the time can be a bit challenging, especially as the case ages. You know, it just wants to grip onto the fabric, and I mean, it does an okay job. And maybe I'm being a little bit over dramatic there, but I've always been more of a fan of the leather cases that Apple has produced. But the silicone case is really nice. It's very sleek and simple. You can see we've got cutout for the USB-C and of course the speakers, and everything else around here is good. It's just a very simple case. Little bit of a raised edge on the camera module just to protect that from coming in contact with the table. Little bit of a raised edge on the front side of the phone, which for me, I would definitely use a screen protector. But overall, I like this phone. Now, it is MagSafe, of course. It doesn't have the MagSafe design on the back. It's very minimal, simple, very strong magnets on the back of this because there are magnets in the case, and then of course magnets in the phone. This holds on nice and tight. And being that it's Apple's case, of course it's going to support wireless charging. Overall, this is just a nice case. Very simple, plain case, but very nice, sleek design. Now I'm excited for a